I'm Justin Marlowe. I'm a research professor at the Harris School and the director of our Center for Municipal Finance.
My name is John Oxtoby. I'm the director of ESG investing at Ariel Investments. I also serve as a lecturer at the Harris School of Public Policy, where I teach a class on ESG and impact investing.
So in our curriculum, we're doing something a little bit unique in that we're bringing both private and public sector perspectives into the classroom so that students have a really well-rounded perspective on what ESG means. On the private sector side, we're covering a lot of the traditional tactics and strategies like shareholder activism, private equity strategies, and so forth. On the public sector side, we're talking about what it means to invest in sustainable infrastructure, how we regulate the market, how we think about ESG disclosure, a lot of those really important policy kinds of questions.
We'll cover ESG and corporate strategy. How does ESG contribute to financial performance? How does a portfolio manager integrate ESG considerations in their investment process? And what levers are available to influence corporate behavior and drive improvement in best practices? What are the key ESG reporting frameworks, metrics, and language that you need to know? And where is the industry going?
The ESG space is growing very, very quickly. The demand for skill in this space, the demand for people who understand ESG issues from multiple angles, whether it's as a practitioner, from a policy perspective, from an impact investment perspective, those are all very, very important skills that are going to be in demand. So this credential will position people to be at the cutting edge in an industry that's growing very, very quickly and becoming that much more important.
I'm looking forward to engaging directly with students and practitioners at various points in their careers and uncovering where ESG is relevant in everybody's day-to-day. And by engaging in conversation across different sectors and disciplines, I think we'll be much better positioned to tackle some of these really tough sustainability challenges.
This is an excellent credential that'll offer you a great opportunity to lean into your own career with one of the great policy schools and one of the great universities and one of the great cities in the United States.
I'm excited to be teaching the ESG program at Harris, and I hope to see you there.